Welcome to our channel. My name is Shamim.
My name is Gautham Krishna.
Today topic is what positive sentences.
I am questioner.
I am answer.
What do I eat daily?
You eat tiffin daily.
What are we eating now?
We are eating chocolates now.
What have you eaten just now?
I have eaten chocolates just now.
What has he been eating for 2 days?
He has been eating brinjal curry for 2 days.
What did she eat yesterday?
She ate
biryani.
biryani yesterday.
What was it eating yesterday at this time?
It was eating pizza yesterday at this time.
What had Ram eaten already?
Ram had eaten burger already.
What had they been eating for 2 days?
They had been eating pizza for 2 days.
What will boys eat tomorrow?
Boys will eat potato curry tomorrow.
What shall I be eating tomorrow at this time?
You will be eating ice cream tomorrow at this time.
What shall we have eaten by tomorrow?
You shall have eaten biryani by tomorrow.
By tomorrow, what will you have been eating for 2 days?
By tomorrow I shall have been eating
Mango.
mangoes for 2 days.
Thank you. Subscribe our channel.